Hi teacher, my children vacation to Disneyland. My win and children I went to Disneyland with my family. It is a very special vacation for me. I still remember this trip very clearly. We arrived very early in the morning. My parents wanted to enjoy the wedding day. When we entered Disneyland and saw many people and many bright colors, I answered her music in many places, and everything looked for and magical, and it felt very happy. After walking for some time, we stopped to eat. I eat from famous turkey that beside her. The turkey legs was very big and very good, only because it was too big for me, but in enjoyed it alone. Later, we went on many readers' tour. Some readers were fast and excited. Other readers were slow and calm. At first, it felt a little scared on some rides. We started to launch and have fun. Being of the readers with my family made us feel safe and happy. As the day went on, we feel tired but is happy. We rested and tackled tower. When in good dark, my stayed for the night show. The show had music, bright lights, and figure words in the sky. It was very full and fun to watch. This vacation to Disneyland is very important to me. I spent we all day with my family. We loved and enjoyed the day toward. It's a memory that I will remember and that makes me chill. My vacation is Disneyland.